What's up, cruisers? Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best cruise tips, tricks, and hacks to make your vacation smoother, cheaper, and more fun. Today's topic, one that everyone wants to know: how to get free stuff on a cruise, legally. Yup, that means no shady business, no breaking rules, just smart insider strategies that let you take full advantage of what your cruise has to offer. Whether it's your very first cruise or your 10th, you'll be surprised just how many perks are hidden in plain sight if you know where to look. We're talking free food, drinks, souvenirs, upgrades, and even cash to use on board. Stick around because we're diving deep into every corner of the ship, and I guarantee you'll walk away with at least one new freebie tip you didn't know before. Let's get started. We all know the buffet is included, but it's just the beginning. Most cruise ships have multiple venues with free food that a lot of guests completely miss. On Royal Caribbean, there's the Cafe Promenade with free pastries, sandwiches, and cookies all day. On Carnival, the pizza joint is open 24/7. And there's usually a deli or Guy's Burger-style grill with made-to-order options. You don't need to pay extra to eat well. In fact, you can eat gourmet-level meals without ever stepping into a specialty restaurant. And pro tip, room service breakfast, especially the continental version, is free on most lines. Order coffee, fruit, and pastries the night before, and wake up to breakfast in bed, no charge. Did you know there are off-menu items you can ask for in the main dining room? Cruise veterans know this trick. On Carnival, ask for a banana split. It's not on the menu, but they'll usually make it. On Royal Caribbean, try asking for Indian curry, even if it's not listed that night. Chefs love making special requests, and you'll get a custom meal most people didn't even know was an option. Always be kind to your waitstaff. They can be your gateway to little-known perks. Ask if there's anything special the chef can prepare. More often than not, they'll go above and beyond. If you didn't spring for the drink package, don't worry. You can still get free drinks. Here's how. First, head to the art auction. Even if you have zero interest in buying art, they'll often hand out free champagne or wine just for attending. Second, hit up the captain's welcome party or loyalty events. They'll serve cocktails or champagne there too. Also, some cruise lines host alcohol tastings or cocktail making demos where you can sample liquors and mixes, totally free. And finally, coffee drinkers. Some venues offer specialty coffee samplers or tastings early in the cruise. Again, check your daily schedule and you'll find these pop up more often than you'd think. One of the best parts of cruising? Free cruise swag. T-shirts, tote bags, water bottles, hats, and even keychains. They're given away at Raffles, events, or port shopping talks. You'll want to attend those promotional seminars before ports like Cozumel or St. Thomas. Sure, they're pitching you stores, but in return, you usually get a free charm bracelet or souvenir bag. Also, check out the spa raffle on embarkation day. They often give out free massages, discounts, or beauty product samples just for writing your name down. Oh, and don't skip the trivia games or game shows. Winners usually get ship-branded prizes you'd otherwise have to buy in the gift shop. Sign up for the cruise line's loyalty program the moment you book, or onboard at the loyalty desk. Even if it's your first sailing, they may give you perks right away. For example, Princess Cruises gives you discounts on photos and internet just for joining Captain's Circle. Royal Caribbean might give you a welcome gift or priority boarding on future cruises. And Carnival gives you a free bottle of water and a thank you gift starting on cruise 2. But it scales fast. Just a few cruises in, you start getting cocktail parties, upgraded robes, chocolates, discounts on spa services, even laundry credits. And yes, sometimes free cruises for the truly loyal. Let's talk entertainment. Most people know the big shows are free, but the hidden gems are the small ones. Musicians in the piano bar, late-night comedians, a cappella groups in the atrium, silent discos, dance lessons, poolside games, they're all included. Want to dance salsa, learn line dancing, watch a movie under the stars with popcorn in your hand? All free. You're not just limited to what's on the stage. Roaming entertainers and one-off workshops are happening all around you. And don't forget to join the karaoke contest or the newlywed game for a laugh and maybe even a prize. Even if you're not a high roller, the casino wants your attention. Sign up for the ship's casino loyalty program, play a little, and you may get free drinks, free future cruise offers, or onboard credit emailed to you after your trip. It's not just for big spenders. Even $20 can get your name in the system, and if they see you use your card, they may offer something to entice you back. Also, attend the casino events during sea days. They often have raffles and tournaments with free entries, especially early in the cruise. Spa services can be pricey, but if you visit during the open house on embarkation day, you'll get access to free mini treatments. Think neck massages, hand scrubs, chair massages, and product samples. They usually host a raffle for free spa credits too. You don't need to buy anything, just walk in, relax, and enjoy the tour. Sometimes they'll even do seminars later in the cruise, like detox tips or how to look younger, with product samples and occasional free consultations. Cruise lines love to celebrate. If you're sailing for a birthday, anniversary, honeymoon, or even just a first cruise, Let them know. Mention it to your travel agent, put it in your reservation, or tell your cabin steward. You might get a cake delivered to your room, towel art with a little card, or a surprise at dinner. Celebrating a special occasion also increases your chances for room upgrades or small gifts from the cruise line. Here's one of the smartest tricks of all. Book your next cruise while you're still on board. Most lines offer special future cruise deals that give you onboard credit for your next trip, sometimes up to $200 or more. The best part? You don't even have to pick the exact cruise. Just put down a deposit and decide later. It's basically free money and a discount on your next vacation. You can cancel if plans change and still keep the benefits in most cases. Always visit the Future Cruise Desk. It's a hidden goldmine of free perks. A little cruise tip that comes from veteran travelers. Sometimes you can swap or trade with other passengers. Maybe you have extra bottled water from a shore excursion, or your kids collected too many keychains from port. Cruise Facebook groups and onboard social events often lead to little swaps where you end up with something you didn't have before without spending a dime. Download the Cruise Lines app. Many of them have limited-time flash deals, pop-up giveaways, or alerts for when a free event is starting. Some ships even allow you to earn small onboard credit by attending presentations or completing activities through the app. So now you know there's a lot of free stuff on a cruise if you know where to look. From snacks to champagne, shows to swag, and even cash for your next vacation, cruising is full of value that goes way beyond your ticket price. If you got value out of this video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more cruising content just like this. Got a favorite freebie or a sneaky tip that works every time? Share it in the comments and help your fellow cruisers out. Until next time, keep cruising smart, stay adventurous, and enjoy every freebie you can find.